Number 1. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RSSS, priced at $39,995. This stunning classic is located in Morganton, North Carolina, and boasts a gorgeous factory Le Mans blue exterior, true to its original 1968 roots. With just 12,500 miles on the odometer, this beauty is a blend of style and performance. It features a high-performance 468 cubic inch big block engine, paired with a 4-speed M22 manual transmission, often referred to as the Rock Crusher for its toughness and iconic sound. The car is equipped with a factory tachometer dash, upgraded disc brakes, new tubular A arms for improved handling, and freshly installed carpet and headliner for a refreshed interior. Its Rally Sport package offers hidden headlights and sleek styling, while the Super Sport upgrades enhance its performance. It runs and drives great, with no rust to worry about, a rarity for a classic car of this age. This Camaro is a dream for any muscle car enthusiast and ready to hit the road. Number 2. The 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $18,000. Located in Hialeah, Florida, this red two-door vintage car is a true classic. It's a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe with a 289 cubic inch V8 engine under the hood, known for its impressive power and performance. The car runs and drives great, though it could use a little TLC to get it to perfect condition. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it offers a smooth driving experience, and the brand new front disc brakes provide excellent stopping power. The owner is open to reasonable offers, but is only interested in a cash sale, not trades. Number 3. The 1966 Chevrolet Malibu, priced at $13,500. This classic American car is located in Marietta, Georgia, and features a vibrant turquoise color. It's a 4-door model, offering easy access for passengers, and comes with a rebuilt 327 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, both restored to like-new condition. The car is equipped with air conditioning for a cool, comfortable ride, and has new brakes and good tires for added safety and performance. The original interior and carpet are in excellent condition, with no tears or visible damage. The seller is open to offers above $12,000, so feel free to make your best offer. Number 4. The 1962 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $15,500. This classic American beauty, located in Winter Garden, Florida, boasts a sleek black exterior and is powered by a small block Chevy 400 cubic inch V8 engine. It retains its original factory 4-speed manual transmission, enhanced with performance upgrades like an Edelbrock aluminum performer intake manifold, Taylor high-performance spark plug wires, and an Edelbrock 654-barrel carburetor. Additional features include a mild cam for extra punch, headers for improved exhaust flow, and a dual exhaust system with glass packs that deliver a rich, throaty sound. A new clutch kit ensures smooth shifting, while the professionally installed air ride suspension system allows for an adjustable ride height tailored to comfort or style. The car's interior is mostly complete, though it still needs a headliner. It runs well and is ready for its next owner to enjoy. The seller is only accepting cash payments and is firm on no trades, though they are open to reasonable offers. If you're in the market for a stylish, powerful classic with character, this Impala might just be the one for you. Number 5. The 1972 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $23,000. This classic American muscle car is located in Indian Head, Maryland, and sports a striking blue color. Under the hood, it boasts a freshly rebuilt 468 Chevy big block engine paired with a durable 400 turbo transmission, both of which have less than 20 miles since their rebuild. The car is equipped with a 12-bolt Posey traction 373-gear rear differential, ensuring exceptional traction and reliable performance. With its clean, rust-free body and well-maintained condition, this Nova is truly a gem. Best of all, it's turnkey and ready to hit the road, No repairs or modifications needed. Number 6. The 1964 Ford Galaxie 500, priced at $16,500. This classic beauty is located in Ashland City, Tennessee, and comes in a sleek black color. With 42,000 miles on the odometer, it's a well-preserved vehicle for its age, though it's not clear if the mileage is original or restored. The car is described as being in very good condition, retaining most of its original parts, an appealing feature for collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. Under the hood, it boasts a smooth-running 352 cubic inch engine, known for its reliability. The car runs and drives great, with no rust issues, which is a significant advantage for a vehicle of this vintage. It's even capable of serving as a daily driver, thanks to its solid performance and dependability. The seller has the title in hand, making the buying process straightforward and hassle-free. Number 7. The 1970 Ford Maverick, priced at $16,000. Located in Beaufort, North Carolina, this red car features a 250 i6 engine and has been well maintained. It was used as a daily driver for about a year and is currently running fine with no major issues that would prevent driving it. The only minor issue is the fuel level gauge, which occasionally sticks on empty. There are some small chips in the paint and a bit of rust along the hood, but nothing that affects the car's performance. The owner no longer drives it often and doesn't have a garage, so they are looking to sell. This car has had 3 owners in total, with the engine being overhauled in 1999. The current owner has had it for about 2 years and has made several repairs, including replacing the rear main seal, steering bars, and adjusting the brakes. A year and a half ago, new spark plugs, a new cap and rotor, a new belt, new tires, and an alignment were done. About a year ago, a new Champion radiator, thermostat, cooling system hoses, ignition switch actuator, battery, and turn signal lights were installed. The car does still need new windshield wipers, as the current ones are a bit finicky and require adjusting to a specific angle. The driver's seat is torn, but a seat cover is being used to cover the tear. It also comes with the original owner's manual, making it a solid option for anyone looking for a classic car in great running condition. Number 8. The 1973 Buick Electra 225, priced at $7,300. This classic full-size car, finished in a striking red, is located in Athens, Tennessee. It comes with a fully rebuilt 455 engine and transmission, which have less than 8,000 miles on them, ensuring smooth performance. The car's odometer reads 106,000 miles in total, reflecting its overall journey since it was first built. The Buick drives great with no issues and is in excellent working condition. Recently replaced parts include a new starter, belts, water pump, alternator, radiator, cooling fans, and a new air conditioning system, so it's ready for year-round comfort. The car also has a clean title, making it ready for immediate transfer to a new owner. The seller is open to receiving offers, so the price may be negotiable. Number 9. The 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, priced at $11,000. This classic car is located in Jacksonville, Florida, and boasts a striking white exterior with custom pinstripes. It features the original 350 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, and it has been driven 78,800 miles. The car has been well maintained, with new tires and brakes recently installed, though it does have some minor mechanical issues typical of a car of its age, such as oil leaks, worn bushings, and a power steering leak. Additionally, there are seal leaks around the rear drive shafts. The Corvette has had 2 owners and has been garage kept its entire life, helping preserve its beautiful black interior, which includes well-maintained seats and carpet. The dash and gauges are in good working order, but the car would benefit from some TLC to address these small issues and restore it to its full potential. Please note that it does not have air conditioning, as it was never installed from the factory. Number 10. The 1968 Ford Mustang, priced at $16,000. Located in Marietta, Georgia, this classic green two-door coupe is a great running car that was fully restored in 2019. Since the restoration, it has mostly been kept in storage, accumulating only a few thousand miles. The car has a total of 145,000 original miles. The seller is also including the original wheels, which still have plenty of tread left on the tires. The price has been lowered, and the seller is accepting the best offer by the weekend after Thanksgiving.